Hello, my friends! You're just in time for another 5-minute meditation for kids. Are you ready, my friends? All right. Now, there are 3 things you need to remember for meditation. Number 1, sit down. Are you sitting down? All right. Now, number 2, close your eyes. You have to keep your eyes closed for this meditation, my friends. Okay? Now, number 3, pay attention to the breath. All right. Now, I'm going to start the timer for 5 minutes, and when you hear the sound of the gong, that means that your meditation is over. All right? Okay, let's begin! All right, friends. Now, with your eyes closed, bring your attention to the feeling of the breath. Can you feel the breath as it moves through your nose? Can you feel the air as it moves in your nose and out of your nose? You have to concentrate on the feeling of the breath. For this meditation, you have to be mindful of the breath. You have to feel the air. So close your eyes, and you can even close your mouth. This will help you feel the air through the nose. Because you can breathe through your nose and feel the air. Can you feel the air moving through your nose? We call this mindfulness of breath. And it's an excellent meditation. The breath is always with you, my friends. So if you're ever scared, or you have any problem at all, you can always bring your mind back to the breath. And it can help you. It can help you calm your mind. calm mind is very helpful, my friends. So practice your meditation. Keep your mind focused on the breath. Keep feeling the breath. Just normal breath. It's very simple, but very helpful, my friends. You're doing excellent. And we're almost finished. All right, class. You did great, my friends. Excellent work. Okay? Now that's it for today. We'll see you next time. And don't forget to remember the breath. Goodbye.